Good morning, class. Good morning. Okay, so we are quite late today. We have to expect to reach at 9, but we are reached at 10:15. So can we have little bit of meditation today? भगवान को याद करें. Everyone please back straight. Back straight. Back straight. Fill up the chin. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take deep breath. Can we start Om chanting? Everyone knows Om chanting? Okay. Om. Louder. Rub your palms. Everyone. Place them on your eyes, and now you can slowly open your eyes. Thank you everyone. Now you feel little bit relaxed. दिन भर में जो टेंशन आते हैं कि चले स्कूल में क्या होगा, कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे, कुछ नीचे आ जाएगा करके. So before moving ahead, I will make you to suppose behave like a student of class 7. I am taking a topic from that 7. So you have to behave like a class 7 student, everyone. Okay, and I am teaching you a maths topic. Okay. So before moving ahead, I will narrate you a story, little bit of a story, which make you a little bit interesting, which creates an interest in you. I have so many friends. You all are my friends. Yes. Now Miss Rekha, correct? Rekha is having today is Rekha's happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rekha. She is inviting me in a party. And I have to take some gift for Rekha. So my mom bring this gift for Rekha. This looks so ugly, थोड़ा गंदा हो गया है. It looks so ugly. So I have to wrap it. What I have to do? I have to wrap it. How I will do? Do you have any idea how I will wrap it? Any idea? I will give you one box. I am having so many boxes. I will give you one paper also, and you have to wrap it. Okay? Can we do that? Yes. So many students. Thank you. And the final one. Can anybody help me in drawing the net of this thing? What is this thing? Very good. You are having a figure like this. What is it? Who will tell me?
It is a box, ma'am.
It is a box. Do you name this shape? Can you name this shape? Very good.
Cuboid, ma'am.
Very good. Can we have clap from Miss Sandhya? Louder. Why you feel so shy? Students are not so shy. Okay, they would hesitate in anything. So this box is a
Cuboid.
Now, what we are doing, we are wrapping a paper on this cuboid. Before wrapping this paper, have you ever listened to the word net? Net. What is net? Net क्या होता है? Have you listened? हाँ. Yes. कुछ ऐसा होता है? Net. Something like that. जाली सा होता है. But in maths, net is something very different. How I cover it, that is known as net. Each one of you have to draw the net of your box. I will help you a little bit how to draw. This, you are having a paper, draw it like this, then turn one. How many sides I am having? 4. That 4. Then this one is 5th one. Again back and the 6th one. Now you can draw the net of this. Each one, can you draw the net of this one on your paper? Yes. Everyone please do it. Let me see how many of you are doing. Okay. And who will do first? Say bingo. I will write the name of the person first. Top. Let me decide who is first. Quickly. Net.
Pencil.
पेंसिल
इसमें
Come on, sir. Yes, sir. Quick, please. जल्दी करो, जीत सकते हो और भी फास्ट यस वेरी गुड डन वेरी गुड दिस group has already done anyone else very good second group we are having very good can you oh very good ma'am has also done but it's how many of you tell me that is correct or wrong
Wrong, ma'am.
wrong why it is wrong who will tell me why it is wrong sir has done very good so sir will help how ma'am has done wrong how many sides ma'am we are having in this 1 2 3
Six.
4 5 and 6 how many sides are there 1 2 3 4 so I will give you one more page and you will do it again and done okay how many of you can say how many rectangles are there in your figure who will tell me everyone count the number of rectangles in your figure
6 ma'am.
6 very good okay
Rectangle 4, ma'am.
4 rectangle 4 6 anything else
Square. There are 2 squares, ma'am.
2 squares very good so if I have rectangle 7 okay I write your option also I am having 2 squares and 4 rectangles total 6 rectangles 7 can you show me yours 7 rectangles name them 1 2 3 4 5 okay that's quite good 6
Oh,
6 7 very good but how many faces you are having at your box faces can you count the faces no faces
Faces.
this side this is face your face the face of this one how many faces this box is having 1 okay who will show me sir can you show me the number of faces of this 2 okay sir will show sir each face how many faces I am having in that box okay 8 faces okay anyone else
ma'am.
oh okay brilliant student you can answer me. How many faces we are having 6 very good who will count this side is 6 okay
6 faces.
can we name this what is this 1
1,
this one
2,
this
3, 4, 5, 6.
how many faces I am having
6.
so how many square and rectangles should I have
6.
6 okay you understood why the answer is 1 right thank you so each one of you know what is the formula of area of a rectangle formula for area of a rectangle what is the formula for area of a rectangle
L into B.
Length into breadth.
very good L into B shortcut and expanded that is length into breadth so how many rectangles you are having
4, ma'am.
4 rectangles. You are having 4 rectangles. This side is your length. This side is your breadth. So can I name your rectangles 1, 2, 3 and 4? This one 5 and 6. Everyone quickly name it. Quickly name it. Name the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Very good. Done. Correct. So now this side, the longer side, we name it L. Everyone name it L. Done. Name it L. Name it
Long
L.
side.
Longer side. So which side? This side is good. No, on this rectangle, one rectangle. This is your double. Yeah. When you go into a home, आज आप अपने बच्चों को ये जरूर पढ़ाएंगे कुछ और पढ़ाए ना पढ़ाए ये आपके दिमाग में घुस जाएगा. Okay. Now this is length. The smaller side we will name it W. 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 The smaller side is W. This is my L. This is my W. This smaller side. Okay. Done. Now area of rectangle 1. That is L into W. Can I write this? Now can you find the area of rectangle in rectangle 2? What is the area of rectangle 2 here?
Rectangle.
Huh.
L into
L into W. Very good. The 3 one, third one,
same.